Let's talk about Python's http.server module. We have a directory here that represents a static website. We not only have an index.html file, but also a bunch of subdirectories, each with their own index.html file. The only way to really navigate this website locally is to serve up these files using some sort of HTTP server that is aware of these index files. Python comes bundled with an HTTP server that we can use. It's called http.server. If we run this module from the command line, Python will start up an HTTP server that serves up our current directory. So when I visit this URL in my web browser, Python will send back all the files needed to serve up that page. And if I click a link to go to one of these subdirectories, Python properly serves up .index.html file. Now what if you can't use the default port of 8000, or you don't want to? You can change that port by sending an argument to http.server to specify the port that you'd like to serve that website from. If you'd like to serve up a different directory besides the current one, which is the default, you can also give a -d argument specifying the directory to serve. We are making a Sphinx website here, and our static HTML files are under _build/dir HTML. It's also possible to use the http.server module in code to make your own custom server that customizes the content types that are specified for certain file extensions and might send custom headers to the browser as well. Though I don't tend to find myself using http.server as a module within my code very often. The next time you find yourself with a bunch of HTML files that you wish you could serve up locally to test out a static website, use Python's http.server module by running python-im http.server to serve up the current working directory.